have the dull skin or different patches on the skin, the brown spots on the skin, or any kind of skin pigmentation like hyperpigmentation, and the melasma, chloasma on the skin, which usually pop up on our skin during the pregnancy time or post pregnancy, right? So these are different kind of skin issues that make our skin dull, lifeless skin, right? So what is next now? What you have to do to make your skin beautified, to give your skin cells, face skin cells a new life, right? So for that, the best solution is, of course, you have to follow the regular skincare routine, right? Along with that, here come into picture the scrub, right? The skin scrub, regular skin scrub, right? So regarding that, I already posted video day before yesterday about the Himalaya apricot skin scrub, right? It's a gentle skin scrub, right? So for that, you check it out my YouTube channel, the review of that product. But here I'm gonna tell you what are the benefits of the scrub or scrubbing the skin regularly, right? So scrubbing the skin, why first of all we need the scrubbing, right? Because when we don't scrub the skin, we just wash our face with a regular face wash. So what happened, that the dead skin, right, that is on the top layer of our skin, right? So that dead skin just continuously layer on layer on our skin. And then what happened when we scrub our skin, right? So that dead skin come out, our skin get new life, our skin cells regenerate, right? And our skin looks much better, and we get the skin whitening effect, right? So if you gone to a dermatologist, or maybe somebody suggested you to follow a regular routine, regular skincare routine, right? Like regular skincare routine suggests cleaning the face, then apply the serum, then moisturizer, then sunscreen, right? So all this only work when you properly clean the skin, properly deep clean the skin, and the scrub is the best solution of deep cleaning the skin, right? So deep cleaning means you're removing the dead skin, you're cleaning the skin or more deeper layer of the skin, right? So that is the benefit of scrubbing. Scrubbing give your skin remove the pigmentation, remove the hyperpigmentation, remove the freckles, melasma, right? But it will only give you effect if you're doing it regularly, at least 2 to 3 times in a week, right? It's mandatory, right? If you wanted to remove all the dullness from your face, then you need to scrub your skin regularly, right? So scrub can be of two types. Either you can buy from the market, right? As I already said that I made a the Himalaya gentle skin scrub review, I already posted, right? So there are other scrubs also available in the market of different brand. You can choose any of the scrub depending on your skin type. Like if you have the oily skin, then you can have different scrub. If you have the dry skin, combination kind of skin, right? So depending on your skin type, you purchase the scrub, you scrub it regularly. But if you don't want it to buy these kind of scrubs, because somehow certain chemicals anyways available in these scrubs, so you can make, to avoid all these harshness on your skin, you can make at your home also your own homemade do-it-yourself scrub. So for that, what you need, you can have a honey, you can have sugar or coffee, right? So honey, sugar, coffee, these three ingredients works very good on your skin, right? So this is a homemade scrub. It helps to prevent your skin from dullness, for any kind of patchy skin or any kind of pigmentation or hyperpigmentation, right? But other than scrubbing, I would also suggest to apply the sunscreen, whether you are at home or you're going out. If you're going out, before going out, at least apply 20 minutes before you're going out sunscreen on your face. But if you're at home as well, your skin get damaged very badly, the sun rays which are coming from your windows, right? So to protect all this harshness on your face, right, you apply the sunscreen at your home also. And I always suggest to apply the sunscreen 50 plus works best on your skin and prevent from UVA and UVB rays, right? So this is the best skincare thing I would suggest for you, right? So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you like, and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, so that whenever I post the new video, you guys see my video first and get notified. Thanks for watching.